Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into beauty products that are making waves and help you find the ones worth your time. Today, we're talking about a skincare essential that has caught my attention, the Freeman Exotic Blends Facial Mask Set. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or just looking for a simple way to detox your skin, this might be the all-in-one solution you're seeking. But does it live up to its promise? Stick around as we break it down. The Freeman Exotic Blends Facial Mask Set comes with 4 masks designed for various skincare needs. Inside, you'll find the Pore-Clearing French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask, the Deep Cleansing Hawaiian Black Salt Peel-Off Mask, and the Hydrating Australian Aloe Jelly Mask, plus a handy silicone application brush to ensure a mess-free experience. All of these masks are vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens, sulfates, silicones, phthalates, and mineral oils, which already makes them a big win in my book. The French Pink Clay Mask is all about detoxification, gently drawing out impurities while nourishing your skin, leaving you with a smoother, glowing complexion. It's especially great for those with normal to combination skin. The Hawaiian Black Salt Mask offers a deep cleanse and exfoliation, rejuvenating your skin for a brighter, healthier-looking face. Finally, the Australian Aloe Jelly Mask hydrates and soothes, giving your skin the boost it needs to stay fresh and radiant. It's perfect for any skin type, whether you're dry, oily, or somewhere in between. I have to say, testing this set has been a treat. The masks themselves are a bit of a tactile experience, especially the peel-off ones. They go on easily, and once dry, peel off without much hassle. But I'll be honest, the French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask did take a bit more time to dry than I expected. I recommend giving yourself a little extra time for that one. The Hawaiian Black Salt Mask, on the other hand, felt like a mini facial in itself. It was exfoliating without being too abrasive, which I loved. As for the Aloe Jelly Mask, it was the perfect wind down after a long day, soothing and hydrating, just as it promises. What stood out to me is the ease of application thanks to the silicone brush. It's hygienic and makes for a much cleaner process, which is especially helpful if you're applying these masks in a hurry. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. Each mask targets different skin concerns, which makes this set versatile for various needs. The ingredients are clean, cruelty-free, and vegan, so it's a win for anyone conscious about skincare ethics. The silicone brush is a game changer for a mess-free experience. The set is perfect for travel or as a gift. Cons. The French Pink Clay Mask could use a little more drying time. For some, the peel-off texture might feel a bit too thick or tough to remove, especially if you're sensitive to that type of mask. When it comes to value for money, you're getting a solid deal. With 4 masks and a silicone brush for just under $20, it's a bargain, especially considering the high-quality ingredients and ethical production. The set is travel size too, which is great if you're always on the go. Comparing this to similar products, it holds up well against more expensive options from brands that claim to offer similar results. What I appreciate most is the combination of clean ingredients and affordable pricing. Many higher-end masks come with a hefty price tag, but don't offer the same range of benefits. So this set strikes a nice balance. The packaging is functional, and I like that the masks are in tubes instead of jars. This makes them easy to use without the risk of contamination, and the shelf life is excellent, so no need to worry about them drying out quickly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Freeman has a great reputation when it comes to customer service. I've heard positive feedback from others about their responsiveness and helpfulness, which always adds a nice touch to the overall experience. Plus, the fact that these products are cruelty-free and made with clean ingredients shows Freeman cares about consumer satisfaction and ethical standards. As for alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget or looking for something with a specific ingredient, there are plenty of mask sets out there that can cater to your needs. However, if you're seeking a well-rounded, no-fuss, vegan-friendly mask set, this Freeman set is a fantastic choice. To wrap it up, I'm really impressed with the Freeman Exotic Blends Facial Mask Set. It covers all the bases: cleansing, exfoliating, and hydrating while keeping things simple. If you're in the market for a multitasking mask set that doesn't break the bank, this one delivers. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.